Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Story Insights. Most people know that sex creates pleasure and emotional closeness, but what many don't realize is how powerful morning sex can be for your mind and body. Morning intimacy affects your mood, your energy, your confidence, and even the way you connect with your partner throughout the entire day. Right after waking up, the body naturally produces higher levels of testosterone in both men and women. This hormone increases desire, confidence, and emotional warmth. When intimacy happens during this time, the hormonal response becomes stronger and lasts longer, giving you a mood boost that stays with you all day. Morning sex triggers the release of dopamine, the brain's motivation chemical. When dopamine rises early in the day, your mind becomes more focused, your body feels more energetic, and your overall mood becomes positive and stable. This is one reason why people who begin their day with intimacy often feel productive and mentally clear. Another major factor is oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Morning sex increases oxytocin levels, helping partners feel closer, more connected, and emotionally secure. This emotional comfort reduces arguments and misunderstandings because the brain starts the day in a calmer and more relaxed state. Morning intimacy also reduces stress. Normally, cortisol, the stress hormone, is high in the morning, but after sex, cortisol levels decrease, helping your mind settle and lowering anxiety. This makes your day feel lighter, easier, and emotionally balanced. Morning sex significantly boosts self-confidence as well. When someone starts their day feeling wanted and emotionally connected, they naturally become more confident in their work, decisions, and interactions. This psychological lift has a long-lasting impact on your mood and behavior. Biologically, morning intimacy helps regulate your energy. The release of oxytocin and small amounts of prolactin creates a calm but focused state, similar to a light workout but emotionally more powerful. Many people report feeling refreshed instead of tired. In simple words, morning sex is not just physical pleasure, it is a powerful psychological reset. It boosts your mood, reduces stress, builds confidence, and strengthens emotional bonds, helping you move through your day with positivity and connection.